everyone, we have arrived at Putrajaya Wetlands. Over here you can see we just arrived over there, so let's check it out. This is the wetland, Taman Wetland Putrajaya. So yeah, see you guys inside. Hello guys, so we're inside right now. So it's quite windy right now, and my mom has left me already. So there she is. Cafe, wetland, and urban birding Putrajaya. It's a nice place to chill out. I think this is my first time, by the way, right? This is my first time, and it's also my mom first time also being here. We heard of it, but we never had a time to come here. So yeah, let's check it out. I am wearing a mask right now because you can see that, because I really do not want to catch the new coronavirus version 7. So yeah, if there's nobody over here, I will open the mask, but for now I'm wearing it. Alright. Not a big rain. Hello everyone, I think we actually found the actual map. This is it. Wait, let me back up for a second. You guys can see this is the whole map. So we are here now. You can see this here. You are here. So it's either we go in the woods. I don't think we're gonna go there, but we're here for the views, the nice views. It's quite windy right now. You can hear the wind. Anyway, I think we're gonna follow the yellow trail. Go straight up there and straight down there. But the biggest trail is the blue trail. Oh my gosh. That is over here. This Pelican Trail is a yellow trail. Heron Trail is the pink flamingo, and the blue is the flamingo trail. It's 3.30 km, 5.40 km, 9.10 km. Alright, let's do this. Hello guys. So we're heading back to the car because we realized that it is too far for us. We're here for the view, and 9.9 km. Nah, not today. One day though, because I can do 10 kilometers, but I'm not suited for it. You guys can see. Look what I'm wearing right now. So yeah, we're heading to the car and try to enjoy the view. Hello guys.
When you come on the weekend and the other people don't you know where to go.
Yeah.
Right? You don't know.
As I said, I think we usually plan to come in on weekends, but I expect there's gonna be a lot of people, so that's why we come on weekdays right now. But it was a mistake. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Hello everybody, right now we are checking out the flamingo place, so called lah. Look over here. In Malay is kolam flamingo, English flamingo pond. There's a tractor behind me, that's why it's so loud. So yeah, let's check it out. This place for weekdays, it is really quiet. Like it is almost like a ghost town. There's nobody here. Like that, there's literally nobody. Just me and my mom. I just saw. The other people that we saw was the workers. Yeah. Beside that, there's nobody. So I think it is a good time to come in the weekdays if you guys have plans maybe a date. I don't know, depend on you guys. Right now we're in the pond, the flamingo pond. That's the flamingo. Oh my gosh, yeah, look at the ducks. Wait, let me record in the cinematic mode. It is really quiet over here. Right now we're heading to look at the ducks. Trying to get close to it so we can record it. And the flamingo too. I know I've recorded the ducks before in, I forgot where, the bird park, yeah, but this one not this close and not this many, so it's quite interesting over here. Guys, bad news. First, the duck is getting away from us. Second, over there, right, they close it so we cannot go over the bridge. We cannot, so yeah, we cannot see the ducks and ducklings. No, but whatever, we're here for the views. Let's go. Guys, look at this view. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me record myself right now. But I think I can. Wait up. Hello guys, it's getting windy and that's good. Anyway, the view was really good, it was nice, but it's time to head back. Not going back yet, but I think this view is astonishing, really beautiful, but there's a better view over here, so we're gonna go check it out. I think it's over there, but there's a monkey, a whole family of them. So, and there's nobody here, just me and my mom. So, really trying to avoid any danger that or pose a threat to us. So yeah, see you guys. Guys, over here there's a huge plant nursery. Look at this, all of this. It's annoying. Now you guys can see how big it is. Anyway, yeah, there's a nursery home over here for plants. A lot. I did not expect this at all. I just do research. I want to be surprised. So yeah, quite surprising. Guys, look at this. I don't know what it is. Mom, you said that this is like for pigeons? Yeah. All of this, right? Oh my gosh. Huge place. I never seen anything like this yet. There's a monkey, so yeah, I will let it go. There's a lot of monkey. I really want to check out that one, but the monkey be roaming, man. And the view, oh my gosh, look at the view, so nice. end of the video. My hair is ruined once again because from all that take, it was nice, a cinematic take. This place is really nice. Look at this. Look at this place. Oh my gosh. Anyway, there's kids over there, so yeah, you can come here, but it closes, remember, it closes at 7 p.m. Alright, 7 at night. So meaning that, you know, they say yeah, closes at 7, but the entrance also closes at 6:45. 6:45. 5. Yeah. So yeah, I think we had a lot of fun today. Not think. I definitely feel that we had a lot of fun. Wait, what? Anyway, we had a lot of fun. That's it. We had a lot of fun today. We took a lot of shots, really nice shots. So yeah, really hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys another Adam vlogs. Alright, bye bye guys, peace out, ciao ciao.